Global War 36 enthusiast here with Operation Casino Royale, turn 1.7, Italy. It is July 1936. Italy has one tech roll. Randall tried for shells, or Sergeant's shell hole tried for long-range aircraft, detonator higher. PB generated a 12, so he succeeded and advances to stage 1 with Italy. Purchases. Italy has 10 to spend. They will purchase the classic 1 naval transport for 7, lend-lease a cavalry to the Spanish nationalists for 3, and then they've got the free placement of their destroyer from the build queue. If they do succeed in Abyssinia, then they will get African Orientale Italiana, which is 2 militia, an infantry, and an air base. All right, combat. The only combat is in Abyssinia, down here. Why am I moving up there? Okay, from Eritrea, 2 infantry and a fighter will go in. From Italian Somaliland, 1 infantry and a cavalry will go in. So it's mountains, so let's roll this out and see what happens. Let's see, I have 3 infantry at 1. Miss. 1 cavalry at 2. Hit. And 1 fighter at 6. Another hit. Okay, good. He has 2 militia at 2. Miss. So I hit with my 1 at 2, and he missed with 2 at 2. I got lucky there. So Abyssinia. Let's get out a marker. Rondell. Chip out this infantry. So Abyssinia is captured with 3 infantry and a cavalry. The plane will land back in Italian Somaliland. And then the Italians will place 1 militia in Eritrea, and then 1 militia, 1 infantry, and 1 air base in Italian Somaliland. All right. Non-combat movement. Let's see, from C-Zone I-5, I have the light cruiser and a destroyer, and they will both move to M4. From M2, the submarine, it's just over here, we'll move over to M4. From M6, that's right there, this task force card of 1 battleship, 1 heavy cruiser, 2 destroyers, and 1 torpedo boat destroyer will move to M4. And the 3 coastal subs that are there are going to move, I guess I'll move to M4. Let's see. From northern Italy. One militia is going to move to Rome. And from Rome, 1 infantry will move to northern Italy. From Lazio, 1 militia will move to Rome. From southern Italy, 1 militia will rail to Rome. From Sicily, 1 mountain infantry will go across the narrow crossing to southern Italy. from, let's see, down here in Tripolitania, let's go down to North Africa. From Tripolitania, 1 infantry will move over to Cyrenaica. Placement of units. The naval transport and destroyer will both go in Sea Zone M3. And from northern Italy, the cavalry will be built out of that factory. It'll go to the naval facility there, the major shipyard, and then it will go down to, let's go to Galicia and Leon over here in Spain. And the moment that it hits Galicia, Leon, it becomes a Spanish nationalist cavalry. Okay. Collect income. Italy collects 10 IPP. Next up will be Silk, but I'll be covering for him with 1.8 KMT and 1.9 USA.